Today we're going to talk about the emergency funds tab. It has several sections, so let's talk about it. First, you're going to want to choose your currency. If your currency is not shown, you're going to want to add that, add another item, and then paste it here. Next would be the number of months to cover. It's usually set to 6 months already, but if you want to change it, we have a wide selection. Or if you want to save for a specific amount, you're going to want to type it into this box. Our planned amount, the fund goal, fund balance, and the amount of progress you've made, and then a visual to represent that. Next would be our distribution chart showing each component of your fund as well as the plan and actual contribution visual. To use this tracker, you're going to want to enter your expenses, the amount, and any adjustments you wish to make to that amount. The other two columns will auto-populate, so let's add some expenses. So we're going to do groceries, rent, and then say a car insurance. So let's say we find out that our planned amount for groceries was too high, so we're going to adjust it to be $50 lower. As you can see, the dashboard begins to update, showing the fund goal. If we change the number of months, the fund goal amount changes to a different number, so we're going to change it to 9 months, as you can see. Our current progress hasn't updated, so we're just going to change that by going over to the contribution tracker. We're going to enter a date of contribution, so we're going to go to August 7th. So let's say we budgeted $500 for the month, but then later on we found out we were only able to contribute only 400. Now the dashboard begins to update and we started to make some progress. Over time, fill out your dashboard with all of your expenses and begin to track all your contributions. Have fun saving for an emergency fund.